Makoro munini wa rais nwe Pastor Dorcas RIGATHI na uwete atira nende na Kuririkana kakaiye ke obichiye ke morotono ya kwalola muture ya mbembithi babenge Dorcas ariwa kwina pata inene ya AGAKARIA mwana kana kakaiya mwena kwebania na ndawa chambogita.
The office of the second lady, our work is to champion the cause of the boy child. And what they are doing there, it is very mind-boggling, because you see somebody is just there, they are easily making those makiga tiles, and then they are building, and it is because most of us don't have the opportunity. Now that they have been given a chance, I think we will see how best we can think deep and see how we can be able to give them that opportunity and the desire they have. I think the desire is quite big. And so we are going to pray to God. One thing I know, anything you want to do, you must pray, then plan, then execute, and wait for God. God will do the rest. What a man must do, must do.
Right, na uno tukuda tukekera katanta kiende tuchietu nkatho na chano ntupo kwithira watanite na odi wona ringine ndi chekinya thaithatu anusu tukitha tukiota na no ntubonde tucheru thaithatu mone atwa mathithia aukari Maureen komena ngetwa Phineas Kimana.